This is the Genie 3268RT. Those who intend to use any machine with characteristics of weight, height, width, length or complexity which differ significantly to the training they have received should ensure that they receive a familiarisation to cover the differences. It is the employer's responsibility to ensure that all operators using equipment are adequately trained and familiarised to comply with current health and safety legislation. Machine-specific familiarisation should follow on from basic training and cover the manufacturer's instructions and warnings, features of the specific model, control functions, safety devices and emergency lowering procedures. All of the above are to be found in the operator's manual supplied with the machine. The maximum platform height 32 feet or 9.8 metres. The width of the machine is 68 inches or 1.73 metres. The weight of the machine, please refer to the operator's manual. Identify the serial plate of the machine as the machine weight may vary with option configurations. The maximum capacity of the machine with the platform retracted is 454 kilograms. With the platform extended, the extension deck can take 136 kilograms. The maximum occupants in the machine for outdoor use is 2 people only. For indoor use is 4 people only. The maximum allowable side force is 90 pounds or 400 newtons. Number 1. Platform entry gate. 2. Platform guardrails. 3. Manual storage container. 4. Lanyard anchorage point. 5. Platform extension lock handle. 6. Platform controls. 7. Platform extension. 8. Outrigger housing. 9. Outrigger footpad. 10. LPG tank if applicable. 11. Steer tyre. 12. Engine side cover. 13. Fuel tank. 14. Non-steer tyre. 15. Tilt alarm. 16. Entry ladder and also transport tie down point. 17. Ground controls with manual lowering valve and LED diagnostic readout. 18. Ground control side cover. 19. Hydraulic oil level indicator. 20. Brake release pump control and brake release control. 21. LPG tank if applicable. 22. Safety arm. Ground control panel. Hour meter. Engine start button. Fuel select switch on LPG models. Engine idle speed select switch. Circuit breaker for control circuit. LED diagnostic readout. Glow plug button or choke button. Platform up button. Function enable button. Auxiliary power function enable button. Auxiliary power platform down button. Platform down button. Key switch for platform off and ground control button. Red emergency stop button. Platform controls if equipped with auto level outriggers. Outrigger extend and retract function enable button. Auto outrigger extend and retract function enable button. Engine start button. High idle button with indicator light. Choke and glow plug button. LPG indicator light. Horn button. Generator select button. Machine on incline low speed. Error indicator light. Red emergency stop. Function enable switch. proportional control handle for lift and drive, thumb rocker for steer functions, wrist rest, lift function select button, outrigger extend and retract rocker switch. If a malfunction is discovered, the machine must be immediately isolated, tagged and removed from service and inform your supervisor and manager. Locate the thorough examination certificate, ensuring that the machine is within its last 6-monthly date. Decals are located around the machine. Familiarise yourself with the different decals, ensuring that you understand items such as safe working load, wind speeds, floor loadings, crushing points. Be sure that the operator's safety and responsibilities manuals are complete, legible and in the storage container locked in the platform. Be sure that all decals are legible and in place. Check for hydraulic oil leaks and proper oil levels. Check for battery fluid leaks and proper fluid levels. Before checking any batteries, removing any covers, opening any battery covers, ensure that you are wearing the correct personal protective equipment. Check for engine oil leaks and proper oil level. Check the following components or areas for damage, improperly installed or missing parts, and any unauthorized modifications. Electrical components, wiring and electrical cables, hydraulic hoses, fittings, cylinders and manifolds, drive and turntable motors and drive hubs, wear pads, tyres and wheels, engines and related components, steer and axle sensors, nuts, bolts and other fasteners. Hydraulic ramping. Your machine may have hydraulic ramping built into it by design. This means that the machine may not stop immediately when a controller is released. Function tests. These are designed to discover any malfunctions before putting the MEWP into service. You must follow the step-by-step instructions to test all MEWP functions. If a malfunction is discovered, the machine must be immediately isolated, tagged and removed from service and inform your supervisor and manager. Wander leading or dog walking. It may be possible to use the upper control platform when standing on the ground next to the machine. When using the controller in this way, always ensure that the control box is correctly orientated around to the chassis and that you are standing clear of the machine. Select a test area that is firm, level and free of obstructions. Pull out both the platform and the ground red emergency stop button to the on position. Turn the key switch to ground control. Now have a look at the diagnostic LED readout. The LED should look like this. To start the engine, push the engine start button. If the engine fails to start, wait 60 seconds before trying to start the machine again. Testing the emergency stop. Pushing the ground red emergency stop button to the off position. The engine should turn off and no functions should operate. Now pull out the red emergency stop button and restart the engine. Testing the up-down functions. The descent alarm sounds at 60 beeps per minute. Do not push and hold the function enable button, but now activate the platform up function. As the function enable button is not pressed, no functions should operate. Now press and hold the function enable button and activate the platform up function. The platform should now raise. Press and hold the platform down function. The platform should now lower. Testing the manual lowering. Push and hold the function enable button and raise the platform approximately 2 feet or 60 centimeters. Push in the red emergency stop button to shut off the engine. Pull out the red emergency stop button to the on position. Now push and hold the function enable button and activate the down function. The platform should now lower, but please note the descent alarm will not sound. Turn the key switch to platform controls. At the platform controls, to test the emergency stop, push in the platform red emergency stop button to the off position. No functions should operate. Now pull out the emergency stop button. On the control, the green power light should come on. Testing the up-down functions and the function enable switches. Start the engine and activate the platform up function. Please note the platform function should not raise. To raise the platform, you need to push and hold the function enable speed select button. Now activating the platform up function, the platform will now raise. If you release the function enable button, the platform should stop raising. Push and hold the function enable button and activate the power down function. The platform should now lower. The descent alarm should sound while the platform is lowering. Testing the steering. When performing the steer and the drive function test, stand in the platform facing the steer end of the machine. Using the drive control handle, press and hold the function enable switch. Depress the thumb rocker switch on top of the control handle in the direction identified by the blue and the yellow triangles on the control panel. The steer wheel should now turn to the blue and the yellow direction as indicated with the colour coding on the control panel. Test the drive and the braking. Take hold of the drive control handle and press and hold the function enable switch. Slowly move the control handle in the direction indicated by the blue arrow on the control panel until the machine begins to move. Then return the handle to the centre position. The machine should move in the direction that the blue arrow points and then come to a stop. Now slowly move the control handle in the direction indicated by the yellow arrow on the control panel until the machine begins to move. Then return the handle to the centre position. The machine should move in the direction that the yellow arrow points on the control panel and then come to a stop. Please note the drive brakes must be able to hold the machine on any slope it is able to climb. Test limited elevated drive speed. Move and hold the function enable speed select switch and raise the platform approximately 6 foot or 1.83 meters from the ground. Press and hold the function enable switch and slowly move the drive control handle to the full drive position. The maximum achievable drive speed with the platform raised should not exceed 0.73 feet or 0.22 meters per second. If the drive speed with the platform raised exceeds these distances, immediately isolate, tag and remove the machine from service. Testing the tilt sensor operation. Please note, perform this test from the ground with the platform controller. Do not stand in the platform. Fully lower the platform. Drive both wheels on one side onto a 4-inch or 10cm block or onto a curb. Be aware of the direction the machine will travel when using the controller. Raise the platform at least 6 foot or 1.83 meters. As the platform elevates, the platform should stop and the tilt alarm will sound at 180 beats per minute. Move the drive control handle in the blue and the yellow direction indicated by the arrows. As you are now tilted to one side, the drive function should not work in either direction. Lower the platform back down and drive the machine off the block. To extend and retract the platform, manual platform extension. Lift the platform extension lock handle to the horizontal position. Push the platform extension lock handle to extend the platform to the required position. Please note, do not stand on the platform extension while trying to extend it. Lower the platform extension lock handle into its locking position. Auto level outriggers if equipped. This applies to machines with the black auto level outrigger control box. Push and hold the auto level button. Activate the outrigger up and down toggle switch in the down direction. The outriggers will extend and level the machine. A beep will sound when the machine is level. To control an individual outrigger, press and hold the outrigger function enable button and push and hold an outrigger button. Activate the outrigger up-down toggle switch in the desired direction to level the machine. When setting the machine up on a slope, the steer end outriggers must be lowered first. To secure the machine, ensure that the machine is fully lowered. Both emergency stops are fully in and the key is turned to the off position and removed to isolate the machine.